Them don't sack Mourinho.
So Mourinho don't finally come out.
Zidane, Mourinho don't come out Man U.
Guardiola, na true say they don't sack Mourinho. My brother, na so we see am o.
Mourinho, as them don't sack you now, wetin be your next plan?
Man U no sack me.
He's a miracle walking God. He's a miracle walking God.
Na me take my hand come out.
He's the Alpha and Omega. He's a miracle walking God.
Make una no dey talk say Man U sack me o.
Na lie, na them sack you. When I be dey tell you say make I help you, you talk say I get hidden agenda.
All of una dey craze. Nobody fit sack me for this life. Nonsense. Hello?
Na true say them don't sack you.
Them born them where to take sack me. Nobody for this life fit sack me. Na me carry my hand come out. In short, na me sack them. I no fit tolerate their nonsense again.
Now wow. Why man you go dey lie for news like this nah?
I no know. You know say it depend them. Them no expect am.
I trust you nah. But I dey sha call you to tell you say I don't find work for you for Portsmouth. You know say you na my personal person. It no go make sense if you come join unemployment line. And the place not too far. Na still for England here. So that we still feed the sea from time to time.
You don't try wella for me. Thank you. Even though say na relegation team, I go fit manage am. I fit even carry them come win Premier League next season. And then go appreciate me as their manager. Not be this ungrateful Man U.
Wait oh, the work where I find you, not be coach work oh. Person get that work already.
Wetin come be the work?
Na person wey go dey clean their dressing room. But them talk say them go fit dey promote you if you work well. Who knows sef? Them fit even promote you reach manager level.
Thunder fire your papa there. Your father.
Your problem na say you no dey ever hear word. The time wey I organize prayer session for you, you no gree come. The time wey me and club come to help you win Man City, you no gree again. Nah, I help you find better work as them don't sack you. You still dey do strong head.
Idiot. Go find work, give your papa.